Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Aries, and this is mid-month reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Aries. So let's see your recent past. 8 of Swords, 6 of Cups, Ace of Cups. Wow. I think one person is stuck in past, but I think you both have strong soulmate connection, definitely a past life connection, and Ace of Cups, definitely there is love overflowing here. I think one person loving the other person more, definitely, but one person is stuck in past. But you both have strong soulmate connection, past life connections with each other. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now, Aries. Knight of Wands. Wow, your person want to come towards you very fastly. Queen of Wands. Wow. See, 3 of Wands, lot of fire energy. Absolutely, you are fire sign. I think lot of passion. You both are strong couple. Knight of Wands, sorry, King of Wands and Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands. Definitely, you stand by your power. One person, and I think one person is waiting for another person. 3 of Wands. That could this could be also long distance relationship, definitely. But your person, your waiting is over because your person want to come towards you, and lot of passion is there between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aries. Sharing. Queen of Wands, 2 times. Innocence, the Sun. Wow, positive outcome. So 2 cards is here. Flowering means Ace of Pentacles. Sorry, Queen of Pentacles. I think lot of women is here. Definitely 2 ladies are involved in this situation. I think one is mother. Definitely here the lady is the decision maker, I am seeing. I think this is positive outcome because the Sun is here. Nothingness is means hermit. I think your person want to commit to you. So let's pull some cards of final message. Definitely your person want to offer stability to this connection. Lot of cards. I'm not taking. Aries. Existence, Magician. Wow. They are manifesting you. The body, and this could be long distance relationship. Most of you. Healing, King of Cups. Yeah, I think definitely they want to offer their cup of love to you. This could be long distance relationship. They want to resolve all the disputes between both of you. And the Magician, the existence, definitely they want to manifest you. They want to commit to you because lot of passion is there. Queen of Wands 2 times, and Queen of Pentacles is also here. I think ladies play key role in this relationship. I think they are creating problem or they are the solution in this relationship. Yes, you are getting commitment from your person 100% because King of Cups, he is here. They have emotions for you. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.